In this video, I'm going to show our new splitting and linking feature for PDF documents. So we're going to begin with a look at a source document. It's 44 sheets. I'm going to open it in our viewer. Just a right mouse button, go to View, and this will open a browser session. So this is the source document, the title sheet from the source document. It's a 44 sheet document, and that's what it looks like before we process it. So we'll go back to the Kenesto drive, right mouse button on the file, Kenesto, select the hyperlink files by Kenesto command. And we have some options here. We can bind the sheets together after they've been split and linked. So we'll get the split and linked sheets, and the original will be bound together with the links. We can also export tables that the software finds automatically to Excel. So we're going to select both these options and get on with it. It'll take about 12 minutes. We get a little pop-up in the right-hand corner showing that it's processing. And I'll speed this up so we don't have to wait 12 minutes to see the answer. Note that the processing is completely automatic. We didn't have to tell the software where the title block is for it to capture the sheet names. And the software works as well if the drawings are rotated 90 degrees. There's no manual adjustment of the drawings. It just figures it out by itself. So the splitting and linking is now complete. We see a new folder in the directory with the same name as the file that we've split. And if we open this up, we see all of the component sheets, the 44 sheets, and there's a report. And then there's another subfolder of the tables. And for each sheet, a subfolder's been created. And in these sheets, we'll find tables that are automatically extracted. So let's go back and have a look at the results. First thing we note is that the original file has increased in size because it has the links built into it now. So it went from 54 megabytes to 62 megabytes. So we'll open that one up, and I'm going to open it up in Acrobat. So we'll just double click on it. The way the Kenesto software works, it works as well with Acrobat as it does with any application that can read a standard PDF. So this time we see, when we open the file, we see all these links. I'm going to go back to the document set here in the Kenesto drive, and we'll open up the folder with sheets in it, and we'll open up the title sheet, and I'm going to open it up in our Kenesto viewer. And that opens a browser window. So this is just a single sheet. And these links, which were created automatically, I'm going to navigate to one of them. I'm going to go to sheet A 6.01. Get there just by clicking on the link, and that will open up sheet A 6.01 into this door schedule. And we can see that there's a callout link to A sheet 4.08. The eagle-eyed among you will note that the links to A 6.01 here and here are not built. And the reason for that is that we're actually on sheet A 6.01 and we don't link sheets to themselves. So if we click on A 4.08, we can go there, and thus we can navigate around the document online from sheet to sheet. Down here at the lower right hand corner, you'll see some navigation buttons. The home button takes us back to the first sheet. Right arrow advances us one sheet in the set. Corresponding left arrow takes us back one sheet. The double arrow advances us to the next section. The software figures out, the architectural, mechanical, demolition, and so on automatically. And this is the go back button. This will take us back to the previous sheet. This is a feature not found in Acrobat, by the way, where you can jump back to the previous sheet. Okay, so that's the automatic splitting and linking. We'll go and have a look at some of the tables. Go to the title sheet. Look at the first table. These tables are built automatically, and here it is, the title sheet information. So I've built a table from the drawing list. If you'd like to try Kenesto PDFBilt, See the link down below to get a free license, good for splitting up to 200 sheets per month. If you liked the video and would like to learn more about Kenesto, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.